how to solve the projections of solid using AutoCAD software. So click on, so go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the ortho grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Type the command limits. Go to lower left corner of the specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line. Select some lower left corner of the screen and click on first button of the mouse and drag the cursor to the right side. Take some distance and again click on the first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the upper side and take some distance. Again click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.5x. Then go to fillet between these two, fillet between these two, and fillet between these two. And go to zoom window. Select this and go to D-text. Specify start point. Select some point. Take height as 4. Rotation angle as 0. Type the 180th problem. Then go to a cone of 50 mm diameter and 60 mm axis length. Press on HP on one of its slant generators. Draw the projections. Draw the projections of the projections when the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degrees. And zoom previous and go to zoom window. Go to layer. Click on new. Type the layer by name XY. Click on new. Type the layer by name axis. Type the layer by name visible. Then layer 0, set the line weight of layer 0 as 0.05, XY as 0.13, then axis line as 0.05, and then visible layer as 0.5. Then go to axis, click on the line type of axis, click on load, type C center and say OK. Click on center and say OK. Then close the layer command. Then go to circle. Take this and take the diameter as 50. Then go to line. Take quadrant of this and take quadrant of this. Then go to array. Select this. Then specify. Then go to polar. Take center point of array. Take the number of items. So say base point. Take center point of array. Number of items type I, and the number of items in the array is 12. Then go to exit. Now you just click on this. Go to CH and go to layer. Click on visible and then line display mode. Then go to move. Select this. Move this till here on this side. Then go to line. Draw a horizontal line. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 60. Then you select this and then go to line. Take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then trim between these two. Then go to break. Now you just click on this and make this layer as visible. Then go to break. Select this first point INT of this and say at the rate. Then break first point INT of this and say at the rate. Then select this line. Make this layer as visible. Then go to mirror. Select this entire thing and mirror this nearest point on this and click on this. So you're going to get the other end. Once you get this, then go to break, select this, then go to first point, take int of this and say @. Now you go to layer, select this and make this as axis, take the distance as 10. Once you do that, then erase this, then go to group, select this entire thing and make it as a group. Then go to copy, select this, copy to the next position and go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotate base point int of this and take reference, take int of this and take int of this, rotate with reference to the horizontal, then go to move, select this, move it nearer, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, and take int of this and draw horizontal line, then go to line, int of this and draw this, then go to trim, select between these three cutting edges and fillet, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this and draw horizontal line. So which is those two lines, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim, select between these two as the object to trim, then go to line, take end point of this and take end point of this and draw vertical line, take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw vertical, and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two. Now once you do that, then go to zoom window, select ellipse, take the center point of the ellipse, take center int of this and take axis endpoint. So ellipse, axis endpoint of ellipse as this and take axis endpoint of ellipse as this, then specify distance to other axis as int of this. Now we got this, then go to line, take int of this and tangent to this line, then go to line, take int of this, take tangent to this, then go to break, select these vertical lines, take int of this, then first point int of this and take, then break first point int of this, take @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @. Similarly, break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this and say @, then here break first point int of this and say @, then break first point int of this, then zoom previous, then break first point int of this and say @. Now you click on this and click on this and click on this and make this layer as visible, then you just click on this and make this line as the axis line till here, then go to layer, make this line as axis line and take the line as 10 mm. Now you would make it as group, then go to group, select this entire thing and make it as a group, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, again you take line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, then again take line, int of this and draw a horizontal line, then go to line, take nearest point @100 less than minus 150 degree. Now we go for DDIM, then go to modify, then go to primary units, make it second decimal point, go to text, take the text height as 4, then symbols and then align with the dimension line centered above, take this dimension as 3, the arrow size as 4, then go to lines and take this offset from the origin as 3 and say OK, then close. Then dim horizontal, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this and take this dimension as 55.38. Then go to circle, take the radius as 60. Then go to line, take IND of this. Then go to break this in counterclockwise direction and break this in counterclockwise direction. And go to fillet between these two. Then go to circle, take center point of this and radius 55.38. Then go to break, select this and break it in this direction. Again break this, then go to erase, then go to copy, select this and take intersection part of this and take center of this. Then go to rotate, select this and take base point int of this. Then go to reference, take it as 180 degrees and then take intersection point of this. Once you do that, then go to break, select this line and break this line. Then you just click on this and go to layer, make this layer as locus. So since we need to create the locus, then go to layer and here type new, type it as locus here. Then once you do that, go to line weight of this and make it 0.05 and say OK. Then go to continuous line tab, click on load, go to dash dot, say OK, click on dash dot and say OK and then close it. Now we go to locus line tab, go to CH and here go to layer, make that layer as locus and then set this as 10. Now we go to line, take a line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a horizontal line. So then go to line, which are those two lines, end point of this, and then go to line, take end point of this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to trim between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim between these two, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, which are those two lines, then go to line, take line end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to trim between these two, then fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, then go to line, take int of this line, then go to line, take int of this, go to line, take end point of this, then go to trim between these two, then select this object to trim and trim, then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to trim, select between these two here, then object to trim these two, then this, then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw, then go to line, take between these two, then go to zoom window, select between these two, then go to line, take int of this, take int of this line, then take int of this, then take end point of this, then end of this, then end point of this, then end of this, then int 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 of this, then close it, then go to p-editor, select this line, then join, select this, 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 and you select this, enter. Then P edit, then go to fit curve, then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this, then tangent to this, then go to break, select this line, first point, int of this, and say at the rate, then break first point, int of this, and say at the rate, then go to line, take int of this, and take int of this, then go to select, go to layer, make this as axis layer and take it as 10. Then you select this line, you select this curve and this line and make this layer as visible layer. Once you do that, then we go for this, then break this, then here you go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, make it as 0 and say OK, say close, then go to dim horizontal, take quadrant of this and take quadrant of this. Now you take it as text, type percentage C 50 mm, then click wherever you want, then do dim vertical, take int of this, take intersection point of this, then you take this distance as 60, then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you will going to get it as 30 degrees, then dim angular between these two, then here you go to text, give space, then enter, then here go to M text, then M text, select this as the boundary, then go to symbol, click on symbol, put the caps lock of type small letter B, which is beta, then go to zoom window, switch on the ortho mode, type here, move this and keep it here beta, then go to D text, so here put the caps lock on, type X, here Y, you type VP, you type HP, then put up the caps lock, then you type A, you type D, type G, and you type K, and here you type O, and here you type O1, then here in bracket, then go to A dash, then here D dash, then K dash in bracket, then G dash, then O dash, then O1 dash in bracket. Then go to zoom window, then zoom window, take this nearer to the screen, then go to move, then take X, here VP, then HP, then A, then K, then G, then D, then O, then O1, then A dash, then D dash, then K dash, then O1 dash, then O dash, then G dash. Now you copy this, copy G dash here, then O dash here, then D dash here, then K dash here, then O1 dash here, then A dash here, then zoom previous, then come down to here, then go to D text, here you mark this as G, then O1, then A, then O, then D, then K, then go to move, O1, then K, then A, then G, then O, then D, then here copy D, then G, then O1, then A, then K, then O, then zoom previous. Then here you mark this as A dash. Then here, which is D dash. Then G dash. This is O dash. This is K dash. And this is O1 dash. And go to move. O dash. Then take G dash. Then K dash. Then A dash. Then D dash. Then O1 dash. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing, and finally you save this drawing in go to E drive, go to AutoCAD, go to solid drawings, type P180 and say save, and finally you exit the